Alright, so in this video I'm just going to quickly show you around my custom made Spiderman table. So this table was made for me. It was made by a graphic designer. You can find her on Instagram, Meggie.Pop. I'll put her links in the description below. And yeah, this is made from one of the Spiderman comics, and I'll show you which comic now. So here on the underneath of the table, it actually shows which issue of Spiderman it came from. So we've got here the Spiderman issue, Ultimate Spider-Man, sorry, issue 150. So yeah, that's pretty cool having the actual front cover and back cover in the underneath the table. This is a IKEA table that she has converted and decorated with Spider-Man comics. So now I'm going to show you all the little bits that are on the front and see which characters you recognize. I recognize most, but there's a few that even I'm not quite aware of. And unfortunately, I've not read this issue yet, so I need to get around to that. So let's have a look at all the small details on the main top of the table. So here we go. So we've got Ultimate Spider-Man Super Special 1. So now it's quite glossy from the thing, so there's a little bit of reflection from the light. So this is a IKEA coffee table, I'd class it as. So here we go. And I love how it's just like all these different panels put together. That's Elektra from Daredevil. We've even got Spider-Man. He's wearing Iron Man's mask here. Ooh, let's focus in there. Oh, the camera does not like that today. There we go. I'll have to stay further away. We've got cool, always parental advisory one. I think that's because Wolverine's here. Some great selections of Spider-Man. I just love how it's all put together. It's a very cool coffee table to have. So I've had this a couple of years, so there is unfortunately a little bit of damage to the top, but it's not too bad. It's held up really well, but it does get used a lot, so I'm actually surprised how well it's still in. There you go. I remember this guy's name, but I've totally forgotten now. It'll come back to me. Here we go. Ooh, Spider-Man's quite violent in this bit. Yeah, there's some cool sections from the comic. Lots of cool shots of Spider-Man here. Oh, Spider-Man's had some sort of accident there. Oh no, I think he's getting by. Venom is taking him over there. This is really cool. I think this is Atom or someone else, or it might be Electro, or a different version. Was it oh no, it might be the guy with the hoops actually. Like I said, I need to read this one. My knowledge of Spider-Man purely comes from the films. I've watched all the films, and comes from the 90s Spider-Man series, because I think that's probably the best animated series, but that is just my opinion. So as you can tell, lots of characters. I think this is the only corner where I've got some damage, but I think I can get it off. I think something's just got stuck to it. There you go. That is my very cool Spider-Man table. So yeah, please definitely check out Meggie.Pop on Instagram. She's done a great job on this IKEA table. Usually just IKEA tables are fine, but you know what? Having an IKEA table decorated Spider-Man definitely makes for a cool centerpiece in the lounge and a good coffee table. When people come round and there's like comics and other books on here, and you can see this cool Spider-Man table, it's definitely worth checking out, and it's definitely something very unique. It's not something you can just go out and buy in a shop, do you mean? So it's very cool idea to take all these bits from an issue of Spider-Man and decorate it in this way. It just looks so cool how it's been done. So yeah, that is our Spider-Man table. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.